In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the save folder in Sharex. If you take a lot of screenshots, setting a custom save location in Sharex makes it easier to stay organized, back things up to the cloud, or keep work and personal captures separate. Start by opening the Sharex app from your desktop or Start menu. On the left-hand side, look for Application Settings and click it. This is where Sharex keeps all the global options that affect how the app behaves across every capture. Inside Application Settings, find and select the Paths tab in the sidebar. Paths is the section that controls where Sharex stores different kinds of files. By default, Sharex saves screenshots to its own program folder structure, which works fine, but changing it to a location you already manage can save time later. In the Paths tab, check the option labeled Use Custom Screenshots folder. Turning this on tells Sharex to ignore the default save location and use a folder you choose instead. It only affects screenshots, so it won't move or delete anything you already have. It simply changes where new captures will go from now on. Next, click the Browse button to pick your preferred folder. Navigate to a place that makes sense for your workflow, like a dedicated screenshots folder inside Documents or a synced drive. You can create a new folder from the Browse dialog if you want everything fresh and tidy. If you already know the exact location, you can also paste or type the full path in the text field. Double-check spelling and slashes so Sharex can find it every time. For the smoothest experience, choose a folder you have permission to write to, and, if it's cloud-backed, make sure it's available offline to avoid delays. Once you've selected your folder and confirmed the dialog, the setting takes effect immediately. From now on, any screenshot you capture with Sharex will be saved directly to that custom location, making it simpler to sort, share, and back up your images. If your needs change later, come back to Application Settings, open the Paths tab, and update the folder the same way. That's it. With a custom save folder in place, your Sharex workflow will feel cleaner and more predictable every time you capture.